Dada hydraulic rock and concrete splitters are operating throughout the world. Most common applications are in the demolition of rock and concrete and in the production of natural stone blocks. Their flexible, economical and above all environmentally friendly use is your guarantee for success. Compared to the conventional demolition techniques, Dada hydraulic rock and concrete splitters have the following advantages. Their application is noiseless. They produce neither dust nor vibrations and split material in blocks of any size desired. Time-consuming and expensive safety precautions can be eliminated. And this is how the rock and concrete splitters work. The most important part is the wedge set, consisting of a movable wedge and two counter wedges. The hydraulic piston pushes the wedge forward and consequently the counter wedges apart. Here the demonstration how the splitter works. The wedge set is inserted into the previously drilled hole of specified depth and diameter. Then the wedge pushes forward between the counter wedges, which in turn exert tons for force splitting the material apart. The initial set of counter wedges are replaced by enlarging counter wedges. Thus the split is being enlarged and ultimately widened to its maximum. Rubber in concrete either break or are exposed to be cut. The splitting distance is up to 60 mm. The splitting force up to 365 tons, that makes 3,581 kilonewton. Having been tested in the laboratory, Dada splitter's tremendous power is proven by splitting a strong steel ring. This was a great success. Let us put theory into practice now. At first, drilling for the splitting process have to be carried out. Holes must be drilled and specific diameter and depth. Then the wedge set is inserted into the hole, checking its position before shifting the handle that switches on the control valve. The split runs in the same direction as the handle. Thus, the course of the crack can be predetermined. After the first split, one of the counter wedges can be easily replaced by an enlarging counter wedge, taking only a few seconds. Next, the split in the concrete is enlarged. With the second enlarging counter wedge, the split is widened to a maximum, resulting in a perfect separation of material. The size of blocks extracted, which have to be demolished, can be determined beforehand, which makes their removal easy. A complete Dada rock and concrete splitting equipment consists of 3 components: one of several splitting cylinders, one hydraulic pump unit, and one set of high and low pressure hoses. Several models of splitting cylinders are available to solve various demolition applications. Wedge sets are also available in different sizes. Mobile as well as portable hydraulic pump units are available. For the splitter's independent operation, gasoline or diesel engines are available. Hydraulic pump units with electric motors provide environmentally friendly and silent demolition. For job sites with an air compressor, a reliable air-driven hydraulic pump is available. The splitters have numerous advantages for which they find universal applications. They can be used for the demolition of concrete and reinforced concrete, for the demolition of rock, and for the production of blocks in the natural stone industry. When demolishing concrete or reinforced concrete, the splitters can be operated in a minimum of space and will enable you to work with a precision that cannot be achieved with conventional demolition methods. Easy handling, robust design, and reliability form the basis for this technology. The splitters work absolutely environmentally friendly. They produce neither dust nor vibrations, nor do they make noise. If needed, up to 5 splitting cylinders can be run simultaneously with one pump unit and a distribution valve. The splitting force can be increased to almost 2,000 tons. On job sites with difficult access, where heavy and bulky demolition equipment cannot be operated, Dada rock and concrete splitters are indispensable due to their compact design, lightweight, and tremendous splitting force. The splitters are even suitable to be operated underwater, as the demolition of concrete bridge piers demonstrates. There is no danger of flying debris when operating Dada rock and concrete splitters. They work in a clean and environmentally friendly manner and are noiseless. This is why they are suitable for demolition jobs in open space and in enclosed or confined areas. Other work can be carried out simultaneously without being disturbed. When carrying out demolition work of solid rock where blasting is prohibited, Dada rock and concrete splitters often serve as an alternative. The splitters' compact design and mobility enables the worker to operate the entire equipment on rock of any structure, day and night. In the natural stone industry, using the dada splitters has proved to be one of the most economical methods for the production of blocks. Advantages mentioned before include controlled direction of split. Power, length and depth of splits will be greatly increased by using multiple splitting cylinders. Safe and environmentally friendly technology. Cost and time-saving techniques. When compared to blasting, less material is wasted. In all these fields, dada rock and concrete splitters have become indispensable all over the world.